My name is Nikita. I will be hosting today's mock SQL interview with a focus maybe on BigQuery. So I prepared 3 tasks for you. They're like relatively complex than usual because I believe you have some experience, right? And some of them, they're focused on BigQuery syntax, not all, but some of them. So yeah, we'll see. Feel free to ask any questions. And yeah, so let's start. I will share the link to our coder space. Just one moment. Okay. Yeah, I just shared in Google Meets chat the link. Could you open it and share the screen so we can all see what you're typing?
Entire screen.
I'll paste the first task.
Where? Okay, tables.
Yeah, I just pasted it. Yeah. So we don't have any like data behind it. So yeah, I'll check just your logic and how your like your thinking process, right? So just yeah, feel free to start to read and just to start coding.
Orders select for each customer. Highest value. This is the head of data set, yeah, of table.
It's like sample, yes, sample data.
Order date, and one row is a unique order.
Yes,
per
yes.
one.
Yeah, so in orders table, there are like unique orders, and customers table, there are unique customer. So unique customer ID field and unique order ID.
Yeah, I suspect that this is my solution for this task.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, awesome. Could you go through it and explain it?
Yes, I choose dense rank because we shouldn't skip second place because if we would choose just rank, we skip, for example, second place if we have 2 elements for The second, for example, for the first customer, we have the first no, the second. In general, the difference between rank and rank is that we don't skip. We are sorting as it needs, maybe.
Yeah.
In fact, for example, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. If for just one rank, we would sort as 1, 3, 3. If we have the same value for the second place.
Yeah, correct. So dense rank just repeats if they have the same amount, they have the same rank, right? But if you will just use just rank, they will skip. They will skip it. Yeah, so your solution absolutely correct. Awesome. So do you know, just one question, do you know how to write it without CTE and subquery?
Yeah. In interview, I prefer with subquery because it's easier. And of course, we have qualified for this task. Example, select, qualify.
Yeah, absolutely right. So yeah, it's just two ways how you can write it, right? And not all database, I believe, support qualify. So like I think BigQuery and Snowflake, they support it, but like I think some older ones, they don't. So, but yeah, it's absolutely correct. Awesome. So let's go to the task number 2. I'll paste it just below. Okay, task number 2.
Sessions, events, event types for each user to summary of the latest session. Latest session. Latest session. Every session has a unique event time, yeah?
Yeah, so the same as in previous task, in each table there are unique sessions. Session ID is unique field, events, event ID is a unique field, event type is unique field.
Session unique. A latest session start, yeah?
Yeah, start date, based on the start date.
Latest sessions. Session ID of the most recent session. Session duration. Sorry, session ID. Session duration. Diff session duration. Minutes. Oh, sorry. Event summary. Ordered array of event descriptions from that session. Event types. Join events. Select session. I don't remember how to aggregate many rows into one array. Maybe array egg.
Yeah, array egg is the right function, right?
Array egg, event type as sorry, ordered array. Event summary from events. Session ID. Join from sessions. Event types, sorry. Sessions. Session ID and event summary. Event summary. Engagement score, total number of engagement events across all sessions. Engagement events, event type. View. Okay. Select. Think how to organize a filter for this subquery without repetition. Sorry. Events. Join. Using event ID, event type, where event type, where category engagements. Engagement. Events and for session. Okay, latest session. Latest session, event summary load, and select session ID, session duration, and event summary. Event summary. Join. Where event engagement. And no. From events, session ID. Event ID. From events. Join latest session. Types. Session ID. Latest session. Session ID. Yeah, it's filtered row. Necessary. Session ID. Session ID is not a unique identifier here, yeah? Only with event ID and session ID.
You mean in events table, or in what table?
Session. Sorry. It's okay. Session ID is unique from events. Count as engagement score with latest session event. Second. From latest session. Yeah, event summary and engagement score. D. event summary. Yeah. Here we filing for last session and calculate session duration minutes for last session per every user. Next, we join event summary with array aggregation. Group by but during latest session, yeah, filter. And here.
Sorry, could you explain once again? You have the first CTE, right? Like at the top. Yeah. So how you like? I see you added here. Event summary, like how you edit it here.
Oh, yeah, I forgot to remove it.
Now looks good. So you have session duration and last session rank, right? And you filter by latest. Okay, so let's go next.
Yeah, from latest session and from event types and join and join event types and session ID, latest session on events. No.
So maybe let's talk about the first join, right? So you have everything, so you need to add event summary and engagement score, right? So in your first join, so what you need to
use? Yeah. Of course, session ID and the re-aggregation. And the second join event types. Join event types using event type. Group by session ID and count engagement score. Engagement score from event types. But maybe there are some duplicates here. An array egg would encounter duplicates.
Yeah, but I think let's assume it's okay for now for array egg.
So don't remember, could I do like this? Maybe array distinct.
Yeah, let's keep it as it is, like without distinct.
Suspect that was redundant and join subquery from to joins latest session filter and event types using event type group by session ID.
Okay.
Probably that's all.
Okay. Yeah. Got it. Yeah. Could you once again explain the join?
Yeah. What happening in this join is we select from event types table. We filter here all necessary session ID from our CTE latest session.
Yeah.
Then we join event types using event type column from event type here latest. Sorry, no event type events here. Yeah, this events from events.
Yeah.
And event type from events.
Okay.
And events and join latest session. Yeah, to filter and join event types using event type. Maybe on events event type event types event. Yeah, probably this
Yeah.
is better solution. Join, yeah, and group by session ID for each user, yeah, because we found all last session ID and yeah, group count, engagement score.
Yeah, got it. So you use latest session to filter the data, and then you join event types. And what fields from event types table do you use?
Engagement score.
So you join, and and because like it's join, you calculate the total score.
Category.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, no, different category. Category engagements. For that session. Yeah, I forget that I wanted to use two joins and filter in one of the join. In this case, we can use case when category engagement, then one L0 and sum and sum case when category from event types. Engagement, then one else. Yeah. One join.
Yeah. Now I got it. Now I think it's good. Yeah. So you just use array to aggregate everything like by event type, and then you just use like join this event types table and filter like and count just or summarize just categories, only engagement categories, right? From event types table. Yeah. And then you join it to the main table, right? And event
Session ID. Yeah.
event types. Yes. Awesome. Yeah. I think now it looks good. Just for maybe readability, you could use like maybe it's better to create several CTEs and put this join that you have with this subquery and join to put in a CTE for the better readability. But like in general, solution is correct.
Just I was going to do two joins, and two joins were simpler. That is why I decided to use without CTE, without this.
Awesome. But now, so you explain everything, and now it's correct. So let's go to our last task. Okay, I just pasted the task number 3.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basic arrays. Basic product. Flatten the reviews and join with product information. For each individual review returns ID. Okay, the first is flatten reviews with rev. Nested reviews. Product rating. Okay, nested. Product information. Colors. For each individual review. Review rating product A. Review date. Comment. Rating. Select. For each. You select review flat ref review product ID category from shoes join product ID put ref on ref product ID and put product ID JSON extracts color from review rating ref product ID rating category from prod category yes category review date from product reviews extracts color flat review date wait sorry review date comment same comment rating rating is positive, true if rating is when is this integer in this JSON?
You mean rating? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, it's integer, right?
And S is positive. Treat null as false. Null. Null. Average rating per product. Average of all non-null rating per product. Probably this is base solution, but I guess that there are some small problems here, and try to check. The first step is flatten, with nest. We've got nested reviews, from product review. Reviews a few product IDs, and one row for one review is unique row, and product ID is duplicated column. Here, product ID, and we join for every review information about products and extract category. Actually, we extract only category from this table. Category. Only category. And we got product ID category and review date. Review date, comment, flatten review. Sorry. Review. Prod. product ref review day, category review date, comment rating, and case when JSON extract array, then true, else false, is positive, rating NFG, and the two minds, I think that maybe there are some troubles with null values in case, maybe, and in average of all non-null ratings. And for this product C, what should we do with such product as product C? Honest review null.
Yeah, C like doesn't have any reviews.
For each individual review, there is no review for product C.
Yes.
I don't remember what Honest will do this episode when review is empty array. Will be null or just skip product C and probably I can, as a result, row with product C and review with null, and it could lead to error if I JSON extract, if I apply JSON extract scalar, but there is some function.
So I think if I just checked. Yeah, actually, if you unnest an empty array, this row will be excluded.
Row excluded. Okay.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. One problem left, and AVG rating, and rating is null. AVG. Yeah. Okay. Treat null. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Yeah. So I have a couple of questions. So could you explain how this JSON extract scalar function works?
Yes, we see JSON structure, key value, and the first argument is key of our JSON column key, and the second this is column and this is a key of JSON, category, review date, rating, etc. And we extract the values. Comment.
Yeah. Seems cool. So just one
But
other.
today I recognize that this is legacy function, and we must use query, JSON query, or JSON value.
Yeah, like a new function that they now recommend to use, right?
BigQuery recommend to use new non-legacy functions in documentation.
Yeah, got it. Yeah. Just one thing. Yeah, just one typo, I think. Could you check join that you do?
Yeah, join. Okay, from flat ref product ID join product ID. Prod. Sorry, I skip on.
And yeah, I think you should join, table name. What is a table name?
Revenue and prod aliases. And
Yeah, I mean, like you see like join product ID, right? Like it should be
uh,
just
product.
product.
Just product. Sorry.
Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, now it's good. Yeah. No, now it looks good. Awesome. Yeah, I think that's it. You did like I think really good job. Right. So I really feel confident for your SQL. So we can talk maybe the last thing if you have time. Maybe we can talk about some other stuff. Maybe you can explain or maybe share like what are the query optimization techniques in BigQuery, or like how you optimize queries and what are different methods. Right.
Yeah, let's discuss classic ways for any SQL, such early filtering, in join, for example, inner join, if it's necessary. You must filter many rows. Then, of course, you should use join, for example, not via a timestamp, maybe optimize. Yeah, it depends probably on table structure, of course. General advices, yeah, general optimization techniques. Maybe cast type in joins should be do in smaller tables. Smaller tables. I remember from my work. This is one of example. Some techniques.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, so maybe something else. So how do you know how the BigQuery is storing the data?
Yeah. This is the second part.
Okay.
And just want to remember maybe.
Yeah, so the first part you should just use filters, and you just not to join to big table, so you need to filter first and then join.
This is quite advice. This is
Yeah.
quite advices, but depends on tables, and it's really hard to make an example now. Create some complex examples. And the second part, of course, partitioning and clustering. Yeah, the first optimization is partitioning by some integer column. When your table is divided by some chunks based on values of your partition. BigQuery recommends to use to do partitioning only if your partition is 1 GB and more. Yeah, and in this case, it would be quite effective. Partitioning and clustering. Yeah, this is additional information for table, and if partitioning is applying for not high cardinality column, but clustering is used for high cardinality column, for example, user ID, yeah, and not one column, yeah, maybe two more columns, and it becomes really faster to query. You reduce cost, yeah, you increase speed, and your filtering and aggregation. Yeah, therefore, your filtering and aggregation will be faster and cheaper.
Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, also, I think maybe the last one, but maybe you meant in the first part that BigQuery stores the data in a columnar format, right? So it means that we need to specify. It's better to specify them specific columns in the select statement. right? Just to so it will like when you specify columns in the select statement, it will scan the query will scan only these columns.
Yeah, not full scan. Yeah, the main idea of optimization is to avoid a full scan table. Full scan.
Yeah, awesome. I think that's it. So yeah, for my feedback, I think you just you nailed it, and you have really good SQL knowledge, and yes, even specific BigQuery knowledge, which is not so common to not like most companies they just asks like simple, but also specific syntax, which is good. So maybe some small tips that you can improve that. Try to avoid subqueries and do CTE instead, just for readability. It's much easier for me to understand than just to go through the subqueries. Also maybe feel free to more like before you start, maybe at least like it's okay to read out loud and to try to explain first what you're going to do. Just for me, like as an interviewer, so my main goal is of course to check your SQL knowledge, but also to understand your thought process, so how you think, right? So of course you like did it at the end, but it will be maybe also help me if you are just okay, I don't know, flatten these tables by using this function, and then I will join these two tables and calculate everything. And then you start typing, and so for me it will be like easier to follow your code, and I understand what you are trying to achieve, which is but it's not like major stuff. It's just like some tips to help, but in general, you did like good job. So how do you feel?
Yeah, pretty good. And I'm glad to repeat the BigQuery syntaxes and train for this interview. And also, I will continue. I want to improve JSON extracting and operation with different arrays, more complex maybe, and also with some partition by, lead lag, and edge predicates.
Awesome. Did you had like recently any SQL live coding? Like
No.
I mean, on the interviews?
No. Last year and last month also.
Yeah, and you passed it, or like did you had any? So I think SQL is good. So did you had any like Python live coding?
Python live coding is my headache. Because I've never apply simple tasks like lead code, and every time I encounter troubles, and I found out that if some Python task was interview, this interview was failed for me 100%.
So Python is like it's rarely used and like not so common in SQL.
Yeah,
It's
because
harder.
SQL we're using in our job almost day, but simple Python tasks were in our university school.
I agree. Okay, thank you for participation. It was great.
Yeah, thank you, Nikita.